Yes guys, mga kalangga. So, nandito na kami sa 8th floor. So, 8th floor nga pa lang aming room. So, 818. Where is the 818? So, this is our room, 818. So, here we go. Tayo sa loob ng hotel. So, this is inside of hotel. So, ayan. Meron ng laundry bag. And this is my bag again. And this is the bathroom, washroom. Yes, we have a bathtub. There's amenities. And there's water and two bottle of water. So, there's the bowl and the shower area. So, this ate, oh.
Ano ba yung AC nila?
So, this is the TV. And the table. Wow, may table ka pa ate, oh.
May kape sila.
Oh.
Ito eh. Di ba libre itong kape?
Yes.
Sige.
So, yan. So, ang daming tubig ate. May tubig pa dun sa loob, dalawa.
Oo.
Tapos dito, there is one bottle in the bedside table. And there is a table here. And there is, you know, if you have a work, kung dadali mo yung trabaho mo, yan, merong ditong working table.
Pero bakit parang walang AC, boys?
Merong lamp. Ayan.
Saan ba AC nila dito?
So, ayun yung labas. Ayun yung labas. Ayun yung labas. Ayan. 8th floor kami mga kapalangga. So, you know, ang ganda talagang naiano sa akin yung boss, no? Yung floor natin. Kasi, August ako. So, August ako. Tapos, 818. Alam mo yon, kamukha ng
Parang AC
aking.
dito, boss.
Just wait ate. Ayan o, Ganda o. Sobrang linis niya as in yung carpeted. Ay! Sorry, it's my shoes. Okay, bye na muna mga kalangga. Bye-bye.
Hello mga kalangga! Andito na naman si RV Park, magche-check-in na naman dito sa Park Regis Hotel. So, unwind tayo lahat ng mga palangga. Ayan. Siyempre, ganun talaga. Kailangan natin stressless, mag-relax, and relaxing, calming, and everything. Bye!
This amenity. So, I think this is a shaver and toothbrush. And then this one is comb. I think it's comb, this one. And there is 2 glass and two pieces of water bottle. And then, so nice. So, Park Regis Hotel, Shumit. So, it's very nice, the color. I remember this color. This color is favorite of my special friend. My special friend is my Superman. Superman, this is your favorite color, right? Is lavender. See? Very nice color. So, I always remember this color for my friend Superman. To my special friend Superman. But, okay. So, very nice color. It's a Park Regis, our hotel. So, this is Night of Dubai. It's so hot. It's very hot here. So we're going to eat dinner there in the Max restaurant. So there is the Park Regis. It's our hotel. So it's very too much traffic. See? Very hot. Ang init-init dito sa Dubai, my gosh. Kasi yung lugar namin sa Ras Al Khaimah, hindi siya masyadong mainit na kamukha dito.
So there's Double Tree by Newton. So ayun ang aming hotel. You know. So ayan, kakain kami sa Max Restaurant.
Who's owning? Oh, nice inside. Come here. Bro! I can see that. Always look for me.
Ayan, kakain kami dito sa Max Restaurant. We're eating dinner here. So yeah, we're gonna go inside. So, ayun yung kasama namin. Ayun. Parang ang dami.
Hanggang natin tayo dahil sabay check-out.
So, check out na po kami. 816 and 818 is together. See? Ito ang aming. Ayan o. Very nice. Very clean.
Are we still there?
Where's the swimming pool?
Steam sauna nila. Banyo. Yan. Changing room. Changing room. Tapos, yan yung washroom. Ayan mga kalangga, nandito kami sa sauna room nila. Kompleto. Ito yung washroom. Washroom siya. Ang ganda oh. Talagang 5-star siya. Tapos doon yung kanilang may jacuzzi pool doon. Tingnan nyo mga kalangga. Ayan, jacuzzi room. Tapos steam doon. Ayun. Ang ganda ng mga kalangga ko. Ang mainit siya! It's hot! Hot siya! Ang sarap. Maka-experience ka naman ng 5-star hotel. Jacuzzi area to, jacuzzi area. Tapos ito yung sauna. Sauna. Yan, sauna. So, mag-steam ka dyan ng mga, magkaiba ang sauna at saka steam ano te. Yan, yung sauna yung mapainit. So, ito yung shower. So, then shower din. Yan. Ganda. So, tapos ito yung washroom. Dalawang washroom. So, ito lahat. Kompleto sila. May lotion. After mo mag-wash, may lotion. Iba ang bongga ng Park Regis. So, ayan. So, ayan. That's all mga kalangga. So, ito na yung spa massage nila. Ito spa sauna massage. So, buksan natin. Ayan, si Kabayan. Hi, Kabayan. Spa sauna. Ito yung ay, Indonesian. Okay. I thought you're Filipina. Because you're almost safe. Yeah. This spa sauna. This is very nice. Very calming. See you. Yeah. Huh? Yes. Very calming. So, what's your name, sister?
Kartika.
Katika. Yes, it's very beautiful. See?
How can I help you?
This one is for the single room. Very nice, very calming. This is for the couple. This for the couple or the daughter and mother also, or your friends together with your friends. In here. Wow, the relaxing area is very nice. Did you heard the sounds? What is this, sister? There is. Okay. And there's also single room. It's very relaxing. So it's very nice. It's a Park Regis hotel. It's 5-star hotel. So very nice. See?